Hello, my name is Dan Weiss. I'm a Florida property tax attorney, and for the first time in my 26 years of Florida property tax practice, I'm excited to say that I can talk to you about a topic that not only am I excited about, but most Florida property taxpayers are excited about. And that is that Florida property taxes are supposedly about to be reduced. And what do I mean by saying supposedly? What I mean is that the Florida legislature has taken special note during its 2007 special session that Florida property taxes have increased a full 100% in the past 6 years, while personal income has risen only 44%. In order to correct this perceived inequity, the legislature has mandated that tax rates or millage rates be rolled back to the level of earlier years so that cities and counties throughout the state of Florida are limited to the same amount of tax revenues they had in the earlier years. This means that the only portion of the tax bill that a Florida property taxpayer can contest is the valuation. And the valuation, since it's based on appraisal practice, may be a mystery. The reason that this is true is that appraisal is frequently spoken of as being more art than science. But a federal judge hearing an appraisal issue once said that appraisal is neither an art nor a science, but a mystery. And what this means for most taxpayers is that it's time to consult a property tax consultant. Now, property tax consultants come in many shapes and sizes. Many commercial property owners prefer to consult either with a property tax attorney or with a real estate broker or agent. Either one of these choices has its advantages. A property tax attorney may be especially keen on legal issues which underscore the way in which a valuation is prepared. Issues such as zoning, comprehensive planning, land use, and procedural issues which govern the appeal may be very capably handled by a Florida attorney. On the other hand, issues of valuation on the comparable sales approach, the income approach, or the cost approach may be handled just as well or better, some people think, by a real estate agent or a real estate broker. In any event, the choice is fairly easy to make, since it involves the procedure of simply calling up and talking to some possible candidates to represent you as a Florida taxpayer in a property tax appeal. Since most property tax appeal professionals are compensated on a contingency basis, that is, a fee based on the percentage of property tax savings, if any, most such consultants will spend a few minutes evaluating with you by telephone or by email your property tax assessment. If you don't know a property tax consultant and you don't have a referral from someone you trust, you can always check the yellow pages or go online and use your favorite search engine and whatever search terms you deem appropriate, whether that be Florida property tax consultant, Florida property tax agent, tax appeals, Florida property tax reductions, or otherwise. So reminding you that you have only 25 days from the mailing of the Notice of Proposed Taxes in which to file your Florida property tax appeal. This is Dan Weiss, Florida property tax attorney, signing off.